And then, I mean, essentially what you could do, actually rank by results. That's going to be better. I'll filter it a little bit more nicely. Yeah. So, I mean, like we could go down to like, let's start at the bottom here where there's like one purchase.
Like here somewhere?
Further down.
Further
Let's
down?
start by turning off anything that doesn't have any purchases. Optimize that way. Then I'd turn off anything that has a purchase with like a ridiculous amount of spend.
Yeah.
Like the 60. Yeah. So,
Okay.
I mean, like that type of ordeal, that one, and then like the ones below that where they don't have any purchases, I would turn off. I would just optimize that way. I'd turn anything back on that does have good ROAS. Like you had a 6.65 in here that's has one purchase that's turned off.
Okay. And then measure it by 7 days or 14 days, or
Yeah, you
what's
can do
the best?
7 day this week. You can do both views.
Okay. Okay. And then just turn everything off, but leave the campaign and the ad set just like it is.
Yes, you turn off the ones that are underperforming, turn on the ones that are performing.
Okay, because these campaigns are really wide, like worldwide.
That's fine.
Maybe the budget is too low. I don't know. Is it a possibility?
No, I think you need to optimize on your ad level.
Okay, that's it. Okay, great. I will do that. So these, wow, I can turn off these. Oh, yeah, good. For the other ad sets, the same.
Yeah.
Or campaign,
Once you
sorry.
tune up your ad level, then you can consider changing up your audience level.
Okay, and I have the automated rules, but like most are in learning phase for months now. Learning phase or learning limited for months. Is it a problem with automated rules or not?
Remove the roles.
Remove them and just leave it like this.
Yeah, we got to wait for this iOS 14 stuff to stabilize for another 30 days before you use roles again.
Okay, all rules are gone.
Yeah.
Okay.
And there's even mentions of like them putting another update out in April and stuff. So there's a lot up in the air right now. So I wouldn't have anything to do with roles. Even if you go to your resource center
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
then click on, uh, yeah, there you go. I mean, this thing right here is talking about roles. So, I mean,
Oh, okay.
you need to complete all of these tasks.
Yeah. Well, I'm
See how it
waiting
says
for.
update your attribution window for impacted automated roles? So you need to follow all these tasks.
Yeah, I just saw it. You did it with the other guy, so I have to do that.
Yeah, all of these will say like click on the next box. That one says review. Next, go to the next one.
This one?
Yep, click the down arrow. Then you'll hit review on that one. Then you'll go to the next one. Just complete each of these individually.
Okay, okay, okay.
And then you'll just do that stuff.
Okay. I need to verify some of these.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you're
Hmm.
only going to verify your website. All that other stuff is just that's just data. You're just receiving events from some of these sites. So just do
Oh,
yours.
okay. So these ones I have verified,
Perfect.
but I need this one as well. Okay, good.
Those other ones you don't have to verify. Like Shopify, that's not your domain. You know,
Okay,
it pulls in all domains you've ever received traffic from. Sometimes you're going to get random shit in there, but just ignore it.
okay. And this one, because this is my old name, this is the new name of the old.
Only the domain you're sending traffic to is the one you need verified.
Okay, those. Okay, this one I'm waiting for. Great. Yeah.
Yep.
So I need to do that, and then just don't do any automated rules, and maybe just leave the budget for 7 days or something. Just don't touch anything. Only the ads.
That's right.
Just
Yep. Change the ad level, optimize the ad level. You're only going to optimize your audience level once you've optimized your ad level.
okay.
And then adjust your budgets accordingly.
Okay. And what do you think about splitting video and
I don't think
image?
so. I don't think
Just
so.
put them together,
Yes.
and then I can add this ones. I can
I
add
keep all creatives together.
keep it together. Okay.
Yeah.
Because now
Unless you're like promoting some grand opening at your location and you have one creative that says grand opening March 1st to March 10th, and then the one that says pre grand opening February 20th to February 3rd or February 28th. Right.
okay.
That's the only way you would ever split something in that circumstance.
Okay, no, this is exactly the same. Only
Yes.
video and image. Okay, I will add those.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Yeah, I think that's about it for now.